Sure, unfortunately, have to come to you with nothing but sad and devastating news that popular celebrity Sangoma Ugogo Manzini has sadly passed away. Gogo Manzini passed away on the 5th of June following a short illness. His family has released a statement confirming, of course, the passing of Ugogo Manzini, and a statement reads as follows. It is with profound sadness that we confirm the passing of Tyra Sindani, who is also known as Gogo Manzini, who died on the 5th of June. Now, this comes after a short illness. Tyra was a cherished friend, colleague, and family member, public figure, and um, ma'am whose presence touched the lives of so many. Tara will be remembered for her passion for healing others, unwavering kindness, dedication to her community, and the joy she brought to everyone around her. At this time, we ask for privacy and respect as her family and loved one navigates this incredible difficult moment. Further information, including memorial details, will all be shared in due course. We extend our deepest condolences to all those who knew and loved her. Now, you guys, Ugogo Manzini recently went to Turkey, whereby she had a full body transformation operation. The surgeries that Ugogo Manzini had a few months ago included liposuction, job nose, rhinoplasty, fox eyes, breast augmentation following skin bleaching, Brazilian butt lift, and a stomach tuck. She revealed that the whole process cost her about 310,000 rands, which included flights. An Instagram blog called Mapepandaba broke the story and said, "This has to be the saddest news I have to deliver today. Gogo Manzini is no more. Gogo Manzini passed away yesterday. It is said that they tried to wake her up, but she did not respond. Manzini was a huge fan of Mapepandaba and often checked on me. The day before Gogo Manzini passed away, she asked if I was okay. This after I posted a heartbreaking emoji. Gogo kept asking over and over on the DMs, including sending me messages. Manzini understood my work, and she knew that I deliver the news without being biased. Manzini was full of life and very courageous. Farewell, Gogo." Well, you guys, we are definitely sending our deepest and sincere condolences to Gogo Manzini's family, loved ones, and may her soul rest in peace.